2021 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country model. We just got this one in just a little bit ago. Does have the 22-inch wheels. Really nice. This is that iridescent pearl tri-coat color. Does have surround vision. Just kind of zoom out here. Just going to go over briefly on some of the gadgets. Of course, on the Premier models and LTZ models, you have these quad tips on the exhaust. Has a hands-free lift gate. You'll want to, this sensor right here, you want to kick under there with this key in hand. That's going to allow you to open the lift gate without touching anything. You see there's more room than there used to be in the old Tahoes. This model does have the seats that lay down by power. Go all the way down. You can also tumble the seats from back here. I'll just tumble this one. Hit it once, which is this button right here. Hit the button twice. That allows you to enter from the back. I'll go ahead and put these back up. Nothing to it. One great thing about these back seats, everybody's got somewhere to charge their device. And you actually have rear vents that come all the way back here. Here's an extra plug-in that's often overlooked. Little storage area down here. This has a trailer closeout panel here. It does have a trailering package on there. One thing to show you is you can adjust this lift gate to the height if you want to lower it down. All you do is locate this button and hold it down till the beeps. And then it'll remember that. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down. Go inside. Of course, everyone knows capless fill on this one. What's great about the Tahoe now, you can actually move the seat back and forth with this lever here. It used to be a stationary seat. Really like what they've done with the interior. That button I showed earlier is actually here too. Right there. That'll let the seats tumble forward. Tap it again. That'll raise it up. See? Another cool thing about the Tahoe is you now have a true theater style seat back here. So you're no longer sitting directly on the floor. So adults can fit back here now. Vehicle's 7 inches longer than it used to be. Another cool thing is if you look up, I'll open this here in a sec. Look how big that roof panel is. It's got panoramic sunroof. Let's go up in the front. Get the nice Bose speakers. Here's more speakers. There's your memory settings. What you do on this is you set your steering wheel, your seat, and your mirrors up, and you hold down set in 1 until you hear beep. It'll save your seat. Of course, your power folding mirrors. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. You just push this button in. There you go. There you go. Right, going left to right. That's going to be your electric parking brake. I'm gonna get inside. It's hot out here. Left parking brake. On the next one is your lane departure warning. Anything orange means on, so I'll turn that on just to show you. Parking sensors. This has front and rear parking sensors. That's called traction control off button. The hill descent control button there. That turns the power to your outlet if you're using the one in the front or the back. This is cool. This is your head-up display and what information it displays, and then how bright it is. I'll attempt to do the head-up display, but it's so doggone bright, I doubt we're going to see anything. Yeah, too dark, too bright. Of course, your steering wheel has your cruise control, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert controls, push to talk, your driver information center. Driver information center on this one's pretty large, as you can see. This has a different type of transmission. The park reverse, neutral, drive, and then you got your L range selector. The reverse is like a trigger type lever that'll display your camera when you ever in reverse. Neutral, park, and drive is also a lever, but just make sure you push park when you're done driving. This L down here simply means if I'm in drive first, and you're going to see a little red D right there, and the L lets you pick 1 through 10 what gear you want to stop at. So it'll be like a 9-speed, up to 9 speeds, up to 7 or 10, or you can just put it in drive and just do your own thing and let the computer do the work. We've got this really nice 10.2-inch screen on this one. We'll go ahead and hit OK. It's still a demo, so I can show you that. Real wide display. It's nice. It's like your phone. You just swipe and look at things. This is my personal favorite, the camera system. This allows you to go through different views. We'll just go over this one. Notice that orange line. That means your vehicle is going to hit that object. And then the gray is your tire tracks on there. But you can do several cool features. You can zoom on the wheels. So I'll show you, I'm turning them so they don't curb nothing. You can still curb your wheels, just extra eyeballs on your wheels. Another cool camera is up here. This works as a rear view mirror, but if you flip it open, there's your camera, and you can adjust the brightness. You can adjust the zoom. I'm just hitting check mark. That's all I'm doing, is changing my channel there. Pretty cool. If you don't like that, just flip it off. All right, there's your OnStar system. This slides the sunroof. This does the shade. And this little cool button, I'll show you what that does. Down here, you can move this console. I'm gonna push that button up here and just show y'all how this goes. Pretty nifty. Nice hidden storage on there. Close that back up. This is your control for your lift gate and your tumble seats. Another way to make them tumble. And then your garage door opener. I'm going to go ahead and open the sunroof for you. Let you see how big this thing is. I mean, it's just massive. It stacks up on the top one. And I'm going to bring that, take that shade back more to show you. See? It's pretty significant. We'll shut him back. Super cool. Down below has your radio controls. Anytime you're lost, you can hit home and that will go back to your home screen. I'll go ahead and do that now. I'll hit the home button and that just goes back to the home screen. There's several things you can customize on this menu. Got your driver's side. You got your heated seat and your ventilated seat for the driver. Now these seats behind me are heated in the second row. Outboard seats. Wireless charging with compatible phone, SD card reader, USB-C, USB. Another little outlet right there. All right. Super nice. Now this is like just a little storage hole there. I don't know what you would put in there, but you know, surely you put something in there, maybe some change or something. It's pretty deep actually. Of course, your glove box in the front there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. BuyWithBenny.com. Thank you.